In the next 5 minutes, we're building our own private Netflix. No subscriptions, no Linux commands, no terminal, just Docker Desktop. And by the end of the video, you'll open your browser and see your own streaming platform running locally. Let's build it. Firstly, open Docker Desktop. Make sure it states engine running. You can see that on the bottom left of the screen. Go to Images and type Jellyfin. Now we're going to install the official image, which is Jellyfin/Jellyfin, the latest model. Just click pull. And that's it. We're just downloading the image. What we're installing is a media server. It takes your movies folder and turns it into a streaming platform with posters, descriptions, users, and apps. But we'll configure everything properly in the next video. Today, we're just going to get this running. Once it finishes downloading, click Run next to the container. And now we configure it properly. Now this part matters. So we go to here, click Run, click Optional Settings. For the container name, just type Jellyfin. For the host port, just type 8096. This means when we're going on our browser, we can go to localhost:8096 and it will open Jellyfin. It's that simple. Now in the volume section, there are 3 important container paths that we need to add. One, which is your config. Another, which is the cache. And then another one, which is your media. You can create a volume to put the first 2, but what I'm going to do now is just create a folder on our desktop to use it. So let's just right click, new folder. Let's just call this Jellyfin. Once you created that Jellyfin folder, let's create a new folder inside it. And let's call this one config. Another one called cache. And another one called media. Once we have that, we'll connect these paths to the volume. Now to connect it to the config folder, click the 3 dots here in the host path. Go to your desktop wherever you created the folder, click Jellyfin, and then for the config, let's just click the config folder and select the folder. For the cache, let's do the exact same thing. Let's go back to Jellyfin, click cache. And then for media, let's do the exact same thing. Go back to Jellyfin, click media. Now just click Run to create the container. Once you've reached the following screen, it takes a few seconds, you can just go to your browser and go to localhost:8096 or just click the port here to open Jellyfin. When you're in Jellyfin, you'll see the above screen saying welcome to Jellyfin, where we can set it up. Now in this setup wizard, you can create admin accounts, select language, add media library. Don't overthink it, we're going deeper in the next episode. Right now, this is basic. In the next video, we'll organize folders properly, enable hardware acceleration, add users, optimize performance, prepare for remote streaming, and make it feel like a real Netflix replacement. And that is where it becomes more powerful. And just so you know, I'm using Docker Desktop because it's beginner friendly, but this exact container works on Linux, NAS devices, home servers, Proxmox, even a Raspberry Pi. Docker Desktop just makes it visual and simple. That's it. No terminal, no complicated setup, just a working Jellyfin server. If Docker Desktop isn't installed yet, click the playlist above and start from the beginning. In the next episode, we turn this into a properly optimized media system. This is Systems from Scratch. I'll see you in the next one.